Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of one of our quality pre-owned vehicles that has been through our rigorous inspection and reconditioning process and is equipped with third row seating, rear view camera, parking sensors, rear spoiler, heated front seats, roof rack, keyless entry, Sirius XM satellite radio, tire pressure monitoring system, air conditioning, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. After viewing this vehicle, we hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you why Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is the best place to buy your next vehicle.